Hi, this is Abby at Bluebeard. Today I'm featuring our meal kit for Mardi Gras, the Carnival season, which is coming upon us February 16th, but you can pick up the 15th and the 16th here at Bluebeard. So the meal kit that we're doing this season is a gumbo that I love. And I made mine different today than what you're going to be receiving because I had a hankering for something, so I made it separately for myself. So the meal kit will definitely feed 4 to 6 people depending on how hungry everybody is. I think this would definitely feed 2 for me. So in the kit, you're going to receive a half pan of rice. I'll just uncover that so you can see how much rice you get. And what I would do when you receive the rice, well, one, have your oven preheated to 350. That way, once you get your all your components for your meal kit, you can just throw them in the oven and rewarm them. And they're already in the aluminum foil cans or containers, so that way you just pop them in the oven, they're ready to go. So what I like to do is plop some butter down on the rice just to kind of season it a little bit. And in Amelia's, we have some Land O'Lakes butter that you can purchase, so you can just get everything in one pickup. So some butter, a couple pats of that, and then also some chicken stock, which you can also purchase at Amelia's. And then I just pour like roughly about, I don't know, just kind of eyeball it, about like a half cup. That way it just kind of gets a little bit more seasoned and also gets a little bit hydrated when you bake it in the oven so it doesn't dry out too much. So just cover that back up. You're gonna throw that in the oven. And I just did that and it's ready. And then the gumbo today that I made, so the half pan of gumbo. And we're going to talk about gumbo here in a few minutes and why I like it and why I love New Orleans. So the gumbo I made has basically a typical like roux-based gumbo that has okra. And I did shrimp, andouille, and chicken thigh in mine. And it has the Holy Trinity, of course, and a whole bunch of bay leaves and some thyme. And the reason I keep the bay leaves in the actual gumbo is that way when you serve it, if you have a bay leaf, then that means you're lucky. So don't eat it, just pull it out. And then also, and again, just throw that in the oven until it's warm through. And then you'll have Cheddar Bay biscuits, which I love. I know it's kind of a Red Lobster ripoff, but they're absolutely delicious. So you'll get 8 of these, and again, just warm those through in the oven until they're nice and heated. So while these are warming in the oven, wink, wink, I'll have some Sazerac and we'll talk about why I love New Orleans. Well, one, I went to New Orleans with a good friend of mine, and I found out that it's mysterious, it's fun, and great company, and a lot of booze, and obviously a lot of good food. Yeah, if you've ever been there, you'll understand. So hopefully make it there eventually when everything gets better. So once it's all ready and prepared, all you have to do is, again, wink, wink, it's warm. So just have everybody just come out and portion it. So the idea about gumbo is that it's not a jambalaya, which a jambalaya is more of a pilaf. The gumbo is more of a stew. So you're going to want to just put the stew portion on top, and see, I got a bay leaf, so I'm lucky today. So you just do what you want to do. I will be generous with the stew myself, and then I have some scallions that you'll be served with as well, and a ton of scallions, and then I don't know, maybe like two biscuits to go with it, and there you go. There's your gumbo. Happy Mardi Gras. Cheers.
Abby, you're natural. That was so good.